why 97% of crypto traders lose money despite Bitcoin at $100K? Because they trade everything except these 3 pro setups. Watch this video until the end to learn the only 3 setups pro traders use every day. Before we dive in, a quick reminder that if you register on Bybit with the link in description or code 125085, you can get up to 30,000 USDT bonuses on deposits and trading, save on trading fees, and get $500 airdrop position for futures trading. Have in mind that trading is very risky. This is not a financial advice, and that we are here just to educate you. All cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, moves in 4 phases: accumulation, markup, distribution, markdown. Pro traders wait for just 3 setups: breakouts, pullbacks, and reversals. Breakout occurs when we see a pattern breaking out either some important resistance level or one of the moving averages. You can screenshot all these back-tested patterns that you can use for trading. For example, here we can see Bitcoin forming inverted cup and handle pattern. Once the price breaks out, we are entering a long position. The same is with shorting, just vice versa. Here you can see Solana forming head and shoulders pattern. Once it breaks down, we are entering a short position. We want to see obvious patterns that all the traders and institutions see, so they all support our trades and enter at the same time. If you don't see obvious pattern, don't trade. Pullback. After breakout, price usually retests level, then continues forward. For example, we can see here Ethereum breaking out $3,000 resistance level on 4 hours chart. Price is coming back to 3,000, now as a support, forming the doji candle on lower time frame. We are entering long. Price continues to 4,000. The same is for shorting, just vice versa. Most traders here make a mistake entering even when the price is too far from resistance and doesn't come back to retest. Remember, if you don't see obvious retest, don't trade. Reversal. Understanding reversal setups is crucial for high-reward trading. These strategies identify when a trend is about to flip at significant key levels, offering prime entry points. Consider the XRP double bottom at $2.20. This pattern formed after 5 consecutive bearish candles, clearly indicating a key support level. We wait for the first green candle to open a long position, confirming the reversal. In this way, we are trading oversold crypto coins with at least 2 confirmations. Effective risk management is paramount. Always risk only 1% of your capital per trade to protect against significant losses. For additional confirmation, utilize exponential moving averages, EMA 12, 24, and 99. These indicators help validate trend strength and potential reversals. Crucially, never FOMO or fear of missing out. Patience is key. Always wait for your established setups to fully materialize before entering a trade. This is your blueprint for consistent profits. Like if you're ready for the $100 to $10,000 challenge. Subscribe for more videos plus free futures course in description, step by step from $100 start with bonuses. See you in the green.